Imagine having to clean stables filled with cattle droppings from thousands of cows in just one day. That was Hercules' task, given by King Eurystheus as his fifth labor. King Augean owned numerous cattle, and their stables were filthy. The task of cleaning these stables seemed impossible for anyone but a hero like Hercules. To tackle this enormous challenge, Hercules devised an ingenious plan. He decided to redirect the rivers Alpheus and Peneus through the stables. By diverting these two rivers, Hercules caused a massive flood that washed away all the filth in the stables within hours. Hercules' method was efficient and showcased his strategic thinking. He also ensured he had help, bringing Augeas' son along to witness the feat. This labor demonstrated Hercules' ability to use nature and his intelligence to solve seemingly impossible tasks, setting a precedent for future challenges. The cleaning of the Augean stables in just one day remains an iconic story of ingenuity and strength, reflecting Hercules' legendary status among Greek heroes. Hercules faced many challenges, but his use of strategy was key to overcoming them. Which of Hercules' other labors impresses you most? Share your thoughts in the comments.